Join us for our Party on the Patio, Thursday, April 23rd in Pleasant View, Kansas, just 5 miles southwest of Hutchinson. From 5 to 8 p.m., there will be workshops presented by our Jason French, who is also the host of our garden show. Ball Seed will join us to show the latest plants being offered for 2026. And joining us again this year will be Color Green, a bluegrass and gospel group performing in our gazebo from 6 to 7 p.m. Enjoy barbecued pork prepared by our very own Ben Miller, and this barbecue is really good. The Dutch Kitchen will join us with delicious treats. Fairview Service will be showing this year's Hustler mowers. And the Rendezvous Coffee Shop will be offering amazing coffees. We hope to see you at our annual Party on the Patio, Thursday, April 23rd from 5 to 9 p.m. And be sure to bring your friends and family. It won't be a party without you.